So I've got these lightning cables here, and they come in a 2-pack. They are nice and long at 6 feet each. One side is a lightning port, and the other side is a Type-C. So they are a Type-C to lightning cable. These are really fast at charging your electronics. You can use them for tablets, or you can use them for a laptop, depending on what kind of port you have on your laptop, as long as it takes a lightning cable. They are really sturdy and well made. They don't tangle too easily. They have this extra little reinforcing piece right here where it bends, and this is typically where my cords will tear up. So this right here makes it a lot more durable, and it helps it to last longer. Very nice.